Give you guys a little spin. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Wstco. Today I am going to be getting ready, and as you can see, my face is beat. I am going to be updating you guys really soon on all of the new products that I have been using for my face. Some of them are old, but the way I combine them, it all comes out really flawless, and I want you guys to see how I do that. For today's video, I'm just going to be installing a wig from Unice Hair. Unice has got onto the wave with the headband units, and I'm basically going to be reviewing theirs. I have a new texture. I believe it's like a natural wave texture from this company, so y'all already know the drill. We're going to slick the hair down, pop the wig on, and see what is hitting. So here's the wig. It's right here in this box, and I got my Eco Styling Gel. And yeah, y'all, let's get into it. So here it is. It's a natural wave, and it will be linked in the description box below. I like using the wig gripper though when I apply these wigs, just so it just won't slide back on me. But you do have the combs and things like that, and the jaw straps in the back, so it can fit secure. But you just want that extra security, especially if you are going to go to the gym. So let's get into it. So like I said, this is a natural wave, and I have been noticing that all of the hair quality has been super nice lately, even though they're not really trying to provide us lace because there's a lace shortage. It's still bomb.com. I mean, obviously you can still get your lace if you want to, but I'm just trying out all different types of styles because I tried yaki, I've tried curly, I've tried now I'm trying the natural wave. I only tried 2. I thought I'd try 3 out though. So this one actually looks like my, I want to say Beauty Forever or Nadula. I think Nadula has one like this. Oh, you know what? I tried yaki, curly, water wave, and now this is a natural wave. So I got all of them now, sis. All I need is a straight moment, but I actually do have another one that is a highlighted straight wig. I can't wait to try that one on because I've been getting all natural brown or natural black colors. So here's how the construction looks on the inside of this wig. I don't mind it. I want to say Nadula, their wig actually was customized just like this, and I was able to put like bobby pins just to add that extra security if you want to. So you can literally put your fingers through like the back half of your hair. This one only has 2 combs. The combs are actually long, so one at the top, one at the bottom. Some beige mommies, and then I don't know what this is. I believe this is like a sticky tape for your wig. I don't need that. They gave me some gifts, lashes, and I believe they gave me like a nail kit to get a little headband so you can keep it intact. And I have this headband right here. So this company actually sent me some clip-ins, y'all, and I was supposed to try them on the other day. I'm really terrified about these clip-ins because I don't know really how to like do my hair when it comes to clip-ins. Like, what am I supposed to be doing? But the good thing about this situation is it's actually curly hair. Like, it's not straight clip-in, so that is what makes me a little bit more. I need to go to my car and pick up the new Eco Styling Gel that I have because this one is done for. After this video, I'm just going to figure it out and stop playing and just get it done. But my hair is freshly washed. It's really nice and soft right now, and I'm so happy about that. I like to put my wig gripper on first, and then the stocking cap, so it can grip everything down. And with these units, I find it best to just, you know, push it back just a little bit so you can have that natural hairline ting going on. So here's the wig. It's so pretty. It's super soft. Like I told you before, lately the hair quality has been superb. Right now, I don't know. I just noticed that this one doesn't have any jaw straps on it. Like, what? This better fit because who has time for that? So let's see. Yeah, that I don't like that. They definitely need to give us, way more combs because we need security. And if you're not gonna provide all the combs, at least have the jaw straps on it. So I'm just gonna let the hair down so y'all can see what it's giving. But the hair though, let's talk about the hair, sis. The hair is popping. The hair is there. What y'all think? Do y'all think it's pretty? I think it's really pretty. It goes to my butt, and the hair doesn't have a smell or anything. I like to put a little bit of penetrating oil just to knock out the weave smell, because it doesn't smell like corn chips, but it smells like weave. I don't know if y'all know that smell or not. I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. 1 second, I'll bring the stuff. Outfit on, hair on, no eyelashes though. I'm not gonna wear lashes today, or I'm just gonna wait until I start my other video to put them on. But that is basically the hair, y'all. Let me know what you guys think about it. I'm gonna do my baby hairs real quick with you guys. So this is my Cantu leave-in conditioner. I like to take that. Oh, I don't want to use this brush. I'm gonna throw this away. Put it right there for the moment. I like using my toothbrush again. I graduated back to my toothbrush, and I'm never gonna let this one go, and if I ever lose it, I'm just gonna buy it again. This one be doing wonders for my hair. Like the other one always just does some weird shit. Like it be leaving, it be picking my makeup up. It just does too much. So this doesn't. People are hilarious. I just be thinking about stuff sometimes. I could be as quiet as a mouse in my place, and my brain would just be going a mile a minute, and I just be thinking, like, people are just different nowadays. Better. I'm not trying to make them look too crazy. I kind of want them to look natural, so it can kind of. Anyway, so here's the get up, y'all. Let me know how you guys feel about it. I'm not going no damn where. I'll probably just take some content photos since I am dressed and I want them to have some pictures of their hair. But that is it. Since I don't have my lashes on, P.S. I was driving in the dark yesterday, and y'all don't know, but the girl cannot see. I need to keep my glasses in my car because it's not okay. Give you guys a little spin, give y'all a little stand so y'all can see the hair again. You see? Really big, really full, super soft. This is cute. Too much. I haven't worn that back yet. The only reason why I bought that bag, but yeah, like I was trying to tell y'all, I only bought that bag because it was 50% off, so it was like 10 bucks. I love you. Unice hair information will be linked in the description box below. Check it out. Let me know how you guys feel about this hair. I'm gonna have fun with this. Y'all know I learned how to do a little quick flip over like that. Look at that. Let's just add a little bit of razzle dazzle. Bring the little scarf up a little bit. One of those numbers. So yeah, the only thing that I suggest them do is add the elastic band, the combs, and we Gucci. So, love you.